Hello. Ding dong, ding ding. Peter Canego here for QuirkyCruise.com on board Riverside Debussy, a very deluxe boat that is sailing around Holland and Belgium at this time of year in April of 2026. Suite 210 is a Seahorse suite. It's 258 square feet. Come on in, Mike. We have a butler and a cabin attendant who was lovely. This is the main bedroom area with a gorgeous full-length window that the top part slides down with the push of a button here and then up again, and you can sit here and stare at the water with your nice glass of champagne. It's just a very civilized existence on board. There are reading lights on either side, so if your partner's asleep, you can read. Lovely nightstands, which we're enjoying because we can put our pajamas in there and not have to get up and go hunt them down. A flat screen television with pretty easy to work remote. And then on each side of the bed is a European outlet, which you might want to bring a converter if you're American, and 2 USB ports on each side. And then over here by the computer desk, you have 2 USB ports, 1 American plug, and a European plug. Computer desk is great, very, very spacious. I've been able to use it for my work, and I love this little chair that you can pull out with this ring on it. There is a coffee maker, which we haven't had to use because there's a fantastic espresso machine about 5 steps away and a bar where they actually make the coffees for you. In here is a mini bar with a selection of drinks that we can have waiting for us when we get back, bottle of water that's freshly refilled every day, and a lovely cabinet with wine glasses in case you want to really enjoy a nice glass of wine in your stateroom without having to drink out of a plain glass. And then over here, espresso and coffee cups. And there are also teas that you can select. Quiet Fox headsets for the shore excursions you wear and your guide doesn't have to shout, especially nice when you're in museums. Walk-in closet, which we love, it's very spacious. Also, Riverside provides use of these very cool robes, and they give you slippers that you can take home. We've had plenty of space for both of our things, even though this is not a dressy ship. You don't have to bring a lot of clothes, but there is never going to be a problem with storage space. And then over here are the racks and 3 drawers and 2 shoe racks down on the bottom. Very, very well laid out closet space here. There's a control here where you can tell your cabin attendant it's time to make up my room or do not disturb, and the thermostat is here. They're both very easy to use. Bathroom, 2 sinks, which is great. Nobody's fighting over who's going to brush their teeth first. And I love the shower door because it actually slides closed, and when you're showering, the water doesn't leak out like it does with other ones that either have curtains or the ones that open this way and then the water leaks out from underneath. Very easy to use also. Shower controls. You have rainforest button here and the handheld button here. They provide amenities, shampoo, conditioner, and bath foam, very high quality. And over here they provide lotion and hand wash. And we love their Seahorse logo. It's very cool. Anyway, it's really living in the lap of luxury here on Riverside. The food's been phenomenal. The service has been great, and it's a beautiful boat. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting QuirkyCruise.com, the world's best website for small ship cruising. And I'll do a full tour of this ship on my YouTube channel, Peter Canego's Midship Cinema. So hope you'll come join me for that. Thank you.